Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Today's video is all about three most important questions of our life. And I believe if we have answers to all these three questions at any moment of life, everything can be solved easily and we'll able to move forward if we are feeling like things are not moving ahead. So what are these three important questions? Let's go through them with this amazing, beautiful story. Yes, let's start with a story of a king. So there was a kingdom and a powerful king was there, and one day he had three questions. First question, what is the most important time? Second question, who is the most important person? Third question he had, what is the most important thing to do? So he thought of asking these questions from his cabinet. So next day morning, he went to his ministers and asked, I have these three questions. Can you guys help me with answering? So he asked them, what is the most important time? So minister said, right now your kingdom is going on. This is the most important time. And he said, okay, who is the most important person? So obviously ministers were saying, yeah, king, you, almighty majesty, you are the most important person. Then he asked, what is the most important thing to do right now? Then they said, expand the kingdom. Let's make it more powerful. Let's increase our forces. Somehow ministers understood that king is not very happy with these answers. So they suggested him that there is a wise sage who stays on the edges of our kingdom on mountain. Why not to go to him and ask the answers from the sage? So king said, okay, next day morning we'll go and ask these questions from that sage. So next day morning, king woke up along with a troop of soldiers. He started walking towards the mountain. Then he thought that it's too far. So he asked all his soldiers and ministers, okay, you guys go back. I'll go alone. Just give me my sword, because the mountain is at the edges of our kingdom's boundary. So he just went alone with a sword. He walked 3-4 hours. He reached there, and then he saw in a cave the man was sitting and doing meditation. So he thought of not to disturb him, and rather disturbing, let's wait when he gets up, then he'll ask his questions from that sage. So he waited for a longer hours, and then it was dark and he was tired. So he thought of, in the morning, I'm gonna ask questions from the sage. Meanwhile, I'll take rest. So he took off his sword, he keep it aside, and he just slept. So next day morning, when he woke up, he saw here and there, and he didn't find the sage. But he was very much amused with the beautiful chirping sounds of bird at that mountain. So he just rubbed his eyes, he moved out, and he was observing the weather around, beautiful scene around him, amazing chirping sounds of birds. Then he just stood at the edge of the cliff and he was observing his kingdom, and he was so happy that I'm serving such a beautiful kingdom. I'm serving the people in my kingdom. He was happy with that thought. And in that moment, he just felt somebody patted from the back on his shoulder. He just turned around and he saw that old saint was standing with a sword in his hand, and that sword he pointed towards the king, and king got scared. And at that moment, with the sword pointed toward his neck, that old sage asked questions from the king. Yes, king, tell me, what is the most important time? Who is the most important person? And what is the most important thing to do now? King was just amused, and he said, thank you to the sage. And he said, yes, I got all my answers. Thank you so much. And then he went back to his kingdom. So that's the story. Now, the real story comes. If you are that king and you are standing on the edge of the cliff, and at that time that sage is pointing that sword towards your neck, then how you're gonna answer the questions? So if you were the king, then what is the most important time? Yes, you got it right. Now, at this moment, now is the most important time. You're on fast, future, everything dissolves in the moment of now, right now, now, here. How do you read it? Again, it makes the difference. No, where, or now, here. So now here creates the important time of your life. Let's move for the second question. Who is the most important person? So at that time when king was standing at the cliff and the sage was pointing the sword towards his neck, then who is the most important person? Of course, for the king, that sage is the most important person in his life. So same thing happens, same thing for us whenever we are with anyone, we are sitting with anyone, we are in any group, we are in any meetings, we are in personal, professional life, we are anywhere with anyone. So the person you are with is the most important person. And if you are sitting alone, then you yourself is the most important person of your life. Let's go to the question number 3. What is the most important thing to do now? So for king at that time, what he was thinking was most important thing to do with love, how he was serving, how he was caring for his kingdom. That is the most important thing to do. Same thing for us. Whatever the task we have assigned to ourselves, if we are doing it with love and care, that is the most important thing for us. So these 3 questions always help us in our life. What is the most important time right now? Right now, whatever you are doing, if you are doing it with 100% focus right now, right here, the things will move forward in the direction you want. Who is the most important person? The person with you are. Because number of times it happens, we have observed, we are sitting with someone, that person is saying his or her stuff, and we are just busy with our own chatterbox in the mind going on. So rather than that, we should focus and listen and be focused and listen to that person, what he or she is saying. That's how the importance is created. And if you're not sitting with anyone, you are sitting with yourself, then be focused on your own self. What is your inner self is talking to you? What is the most important thing to do? So at that moment, with whomsoever you are, with yourself, or with any other person, so the most important thing to do is be happy and do whatever you are doing with the feelings of love and care. So I hope this story will gonna help us. Definitely this story help us number of times, even every moment of time. These 3 questions will help us to move forward in the journey of manifestations and achieving our goals. So definitely for this time, while watching the video, I'm the most important person and you are listening to me with love and care. So do subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.